Hi guys, and welcome to Distilling's training area, where today we're going to be talking about VIN13. Now VIN13 is a very popular yeast strain used in the wine industry, especially your Sauvignon Blancs, your Chenin Blancs and your Chardonnays, due to its very complex aroma compounds it produces. So you typically look at some of your guava, your gooseberry, your grapefruit aromas and flavors, as well as some of your tropical fruits, as well as floral aromas. So as you can see, this is very, very aromatic. Now, your dosage rate is typically 1 gram per liter if you're working with volumes less than 100 liters. And if you're working with volumes above 100 liters, you'll add about 25 grams per every 100 liters. Now, the reason for the low dosage rate is because you'll typically apply yeast rehydration, but I'm not going to talk about this in this video. If you're interested, go onto our website. Go under articles, under fermentation, you'll find an article called yeast rehydration or direct addition. Alternatively, if you'd like to learn even more about yeast, then you can look at our Y1 Yeast and Fermentation Foundation course. Now, its specifications. So its minimum temperature is about 12 degrees Celsius, and its maximum temperature, fermentation temperature, is about 16 degrees Celsius. So you don't have a lot of room to play with. It's not wrong to go above 16 degrees Celsius. It just means you're going to change the aromas and flavors it produces during fermentation. Now, the nice thing about this yeast strain is its cold tolerance. Its cold tolerance is about 10 degrees Celsius, which means this is great for winter fermentations, especially when it gets really, really cold. So it can tolerate up to 10 degrees Celsius, it will still actually ferment. Now, its nutrient demand is quite low, which means if you add a dosage of about 0.5 grams per liter at the start of fermentation and about 0.5 grams per liter about 2 or 3 days later, you'll be fine. Now, its alcohol tolerance is also very, very appealing, especially to distillers. It tolerates up till 17% alcohol, which is really nice and high. Okay guys, so that was our VIN13.